In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Street View imagery on Google Maps in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or mobile device and search for the location you want to explore. On a computer, look for the yellow Pegman icon in the bottom right corner of the map. Click and drag Pegman onto a road highlighted in blue. Once you drop it, Google Maps will open Street View, allowing you to see panoramic street-level imagery of that area. On a mobile device, search for a location and tap anywhere on the map. Then tap the photo thumbnail or the Street View option if it's available. You can swipe or drag your finger to look around and move along the streets. If Street View isn't available for a location, you may not see blue highlighted roads or a Street View option. Coverage varies depending on the area. And that's it. You now know how to find and explore Street View imagery on Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.